How to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Moonpay using debit card. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to Moonpay. You can do it on your web, or you can also download the application on your App Store or Google Play Store and just follow the similar steps. So first of all, you're going to head over and select the currency that you wish to buy. For example, in my case, it's Bitcoin. I have selected the Bitcoin, so you can simply head over and select any other cryptocurrency that you want. So let's say we wish to buy Bitcoin. You're going to click on Bitcoin and then you'll be taken over to the interface of Bitcoin. You'll be able to see this purple button that says buy. If you're doing it on your mobile phone, you can also follow similar steps. Click on this buy button and then you'll be able to see another window pop up in front of you of Web3. So just wait for it to get loaded. So here is the Web3 interface. So what you're going to do is simply select the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy. You have to select the amount in USD and then you'll be able to see the equivalent amount of BTC over here at the bottom. So simply select the one that you need, click on continue with Bitcoin, and then they will ask you your personal information. So you're going to give your personal information such as your name, nationality, date of birth, and where you reside. Click on get started, type down your legal first name, your legal last name, date of birth, nationality, and other stuff. And then you're going to upload your government issued ID for verification. And after that, they will ask you for your payment method. You're going to select debit card and simply write down your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV number. After that, you'll be good to go. So that is basically how you can buy Bitcoins on Moonpay using your debit card. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.